Thank you so much for still supporting me. It's a blessing if you guys are still here, healthy, happy in 2022. That's all that matters. I have a lot of goals that I want to achieve. So if you have some goals that you want to accomplish or things that you want to get done, stay focused. For everyone that subscribed, thank you so much for supporting me, for being on this journey with me. Loving this dress so much. It has this really pretty halter detail. Just got in Whole Foods, y'all. I've been loving baked salmon, so I'm gonna go grab me some of that, some shrimp maybe, and vegetables. But I love Whole Foods because their vegetables are so fresh, and I really could taste the difference. Only thing about Whole Foods is that they're small, so it's always so crowded, I feel like. I don't know. I really like the baked potatoes with the stuffing, like how you make the stuffed salmon, but I've been making the potato stuff like that. I gotta get in line, the seafood line. Vegetables here, and I don't see the other vegetables. So let's go back to the other side. They got calamari. How do y'all feel about tofu? I've had it before and I like it, but I'm kind of scared to try. I think I've had temps too, but I'm scared to try like all this Beyond Meat, Beyond stuff. Like, yeah, I just don't even mess with the fake meat and stuff because I don't know what's in that, you know? Like, I would rather just not even. But I do think I'm gonna start trying tofu more. A whole bunch of stuff that I've never had before. And it's some chili that I really like from here too. It's vegan or vegetarian, it's no meat in it. But I don't know where it's at. I'm like a different type of bowl. Oh, here's the chili. Today is Tuesday. I'm leaving to go back to Chicago in 2 days on Thursday. So this time around, I'm making sure to pack a lot of warm clothes, long sleeves. I feel like last time when I went, I just did not have warm enough clothes. So I wanted to make sure that that was something I did this time around. I also decided to try this black-owned restaurant for the first time. It's called Harold and Bells. And I got macaroni and cheese, catfish, and red beans and rice. It also came with cayenne pepper sauce. I think it came with like a roll or a biscuit. But I wanted to try something that was black-owned, something that I can support. You guys already know how I feel about black-owned restaurants, companies, whatever it is. If it's black-owned, I want to support it. I want to be trying it. And the food was really good. It actually ended up being really good. So hey y'all, I just got to my Airbnb. Sorry, I'm freezing. It's so cold. This is a half bathroom. And I'm kind of like by downtown, really close to downtown Chicago. It looks way better than the pictures. And I love that there's security downstairs, so the building is safe. Can I let these up? Yeah, let's see the view. You press it. And this is on the 20th floor. This is scary to be up so high right here like this. But I was definitely taking a chance on it because, like I said, it was new, barely any reviews. It's Saturday, early Saturday morning. Downtown at Grand Park. It's cold, y'all see? So right now we're really popular in Chicago. It's really popular in Chicago to see. It's super cute, and I'm sure you guys have seen like a lot of pictures of that. I really want to look on my phone and tell you guys the weather right now. So at first we was at Grand Park where you guys saw them ice skating, and now we're at Millennium Park. It's a lot of people out here. I'm surprised. It's so cold. Burning sage. I'm back home after my trip to Chicago. And then I have my window open right here. Just because you're supposed to be also letting it out. Love this lobster truck. It has lobster rolls on it. I'm not sure if I've ever really tried lobster rolls. I know I've had lobster, but not the rolls. And so I'm in love with them now, and I decided to make this at home. I made salad. I'm really into Caesar salad now. I used to only eat house salads all the time with honey mustard dressing, but now I really love how the Caesar salads taste, so I'm adding that to the meal. I got lobster tails and lobster claws. I also grabbed the brioche bread, and I also cut up some celery, green onion, lemon. I'm gonna mix all of this together to start making our lobster rolls. But I also decided to make a little cooler type drink. Either added cranberry juice or some type of juice to this, and it was really good. Cut up all of our lobster meat, and I'm just gonna put this together. I went ahead and warmed up the butter. You want to bring your butter to a slight boil. Once it's done, I put the meat in there. We already steamed our meat, So now that it's really done cooking, I'm just gonna put it in the butter to give it some more flavor, add some lemon juice. I'm adding everything that we cut up, and I'm gonna let this cook for maybe about 5 to 7 minutes. And once I was done with that, I split the bun down the middle and toasted it on the stove. I added all of our ingredients to the bun, and I am going to show you guys the final result of my at-home lobster rolls. They were so good, and I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. If you did and you want more vlogs from me, make sure you give it a thumbs up. We're getting better with our vlogs, guys. I'm going to make them longer. I've seen some of you guys asking me to make my vlogs longer, so we're definitely going to do that. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one.